Whoa. Don't try that at home, kids. Today we're here to talk to you about our latest physics project, the egg drop. Now, before we can actually talk about our design, we have to understand the physics behind it. So what we do is we start out with our governing equation. Ft is equal to m delta v, which is the impulse momentum equation. Impulse momentum is measured by Ft, where we have force times time. Force is in newtons, and time is in seconds, so the impulse is in newton seconds. And then we set that equal to the mass of our object times the change in velocity, starting velocity minus final velocity. So to solve for the amount of force that we have, we just divide both sides by t. So we end up with force is equal to m delta v over t, and t is the time that the object is in contact with the ground. So in order to minimize force, we have to make t as big as possible. This is the calculus way of looking at it. Basically, as t approaches infinity, the overall force will approach zero. So the whole idea is to increase the amount of time that our object is in contact with the surface. Here's our egg drop design. Now, following the equation we just looked at, we want to increase the amount of time that it's in contact with the ground. We do this by adding damping material or padding. Here inside this 2-liter bottle we have shredded paper towels, and inside this paper towel roll we have some cotton. Now the egg sits inside here, and this piece sits in there like that, and is secured by masking tape. Now the reason we added these fins is to make sure that the thing falls straight. If it fell on its side like this, we've got no padding here, so the egg would just break. But by concentrating the padding in one area, we can ensure that it falls here, and all the shock will be absorbed in this area. The idea of increasing time in an impact to decrease force is very common in industry, particularly in the car industry. Cars are designed to have a crumple zone, which is essentially an area of the car that can be crushed easily in a crash to absorb shock and increase the amount of time that the car is in contact with whatever it hit. One example in particular is the very expensive Audi R8, which uses a very light aluminum frame, and the aluminum frame is designed in a crash to crumple, just like if you were to step on an aluminum can, and absorb the shock and increase the amount of time that the car is in contact. And this car was used, the R8 was used in a movie as sort of the lead car, and the producers wanted to have a scene where the car would crash into a guardrail or something and do some dramatic flips and look really cool. But they were running into problems because the R8 is designed so well to absorb shock that it would just hit the guardrail or whatever and just stop and absorb all the shock, and they weren't getting the cool effects that they were looking for. Now, to do a more extreme test of our egg drop, we're going to drop it off my roof. Don't try this at home, kids. Safety first. Just get up there.
No, Ricky, this thing is.
Alright, here.
Right.
No, don't do it.
No more.
Here. It's as low as I can get it. Ready? Ready? You're not under it. There you go. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, not bad.
How high was it?
That was 25 feet. Oh, I forgot to put a piece over the top to hold the egg in.
Damn it. Do you want me to get the tape?
No! Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Not at all.
Yeah!
Nothing wrong with the egg.
Alright, as you saw there, our egg drop was sufficient for two 2 stories plus a couple more feet. And the egg survived intact. Thanks for watching.
There you go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, hey, that looked good. Well, there seems to have been an anomaly. Our egg drop is on fire. Well, yeah. Oh, crap. What just happened? Must have been aliens. So get the hose.
Do you have any marshmallows?
No.
Thanks to the Robert Sheldon Fire Department, we're all safe.
To put out? Oh,
No.
To do?
Oh, jeez. There's nothing left.
Oh, no. Our egg drop.
Well, at least it happened at the end of the project.
Colt's gonna be like, guys, you're supposed to bring it in. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Egg foo young, anyone?
About that.
Oh, it's like melted to the driveway. Oh well. What are you gonna do?
Spontaneous combustion.